malapit sila ng SEA Games eh. No? So, is it this going to be a good preparation na rin for our futsal team going to?
Absolutely, absolutely. Pagkatapos ng World Cup, diretso tayo sa SEA Games, no? So yung preparation inline. Tamang-tama naman, there's a FIFA window in October. So mahahasa yung natin, yung women's natin. No? I think we're gonna hold camp this October. If not, I don't want to preempt the coach, but he's looking at the California camp or going against India, one of the stronger women's teams, para mag-prepare natin for the SEA Games. No? And for the men's, yung U23 natin is campaigning in Tajikistan in 2 weeks. Yung U23 for the AFC championships. And that team will be the one used for the SEA Games as well. So it's all in line. Kasi yung SEA Games is U22 ng men. Ang mababawas lang sa U23 natin, it's very young team. Baka 3 player lang ang mabawas. So we're very excited.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, good afternoon. Andy Sorvino from Bulmer Sports. Sir, just an estimate on how much will the tickets cost for the tournament, both in Pasig and Victorias?
Hello, good morning po. Yes, so we'll be releasing yung ticket prices after the draw once na-identify na yung groupings of the teams. Pero yung goal naman ng FIFA is to make it affordable, accessible, and they have a lot of studies with it. And of course, ang major goal natin is to fill up our arenas with fans. So that's the top priority. But as soon as all the teams are sorted and alam na yung match schedule, ticket prices will also be released. But yes.
As a follow-up, of course, we are here right now in Metro Manila, but may you share with us give us an idea of what the reception is going to be like in Victoria? So how excited are they to hold a big event in their city?
I suspect they'll be more excited than the Manileños. I'm not worried about that. Because this region is football crazy. So I'm sure the reception will be more than flattering for the world to see. Also, going back to the ticket sales or the ticket prices, futsal is for the world. It's not exclusive. We will make sure that anybody who would like to watch it will be accessible for anybody who's interested. Don't worry about the ticket prices. FIFA has made their due diligence on how it should be priced, like Ms. Belay said. So lahat mag-enjoy dito sa futsal world.
Sir, chance to be for free?
You have to talk to Ms. Belay.
Apply ka media.
So surely wala tayong makikita na empty seats, di ba, sa mga venue na paglalaruan. Kasi this is World Futsal. Dapat puno ang mga venue. Yes, follow up bago si Gab.
Sir Jan, this is the first time and syempre, the world is watching us dito. And gusto natin na magkaroon ng isang lasting legacy. Hindi lang sa atin, kundi sa buong mundo rin. Siyempre, pag nakita ng buong mundo na napakagaling ng organizing ng Philippines, baka sunod nila mag-host na tayo ng World Cup. And sa inyo po ba, sir, yung preparations po natin, paano po yung inyong mga plano para maipakita na napaka-husay ng mga Pilipino sa pag-host ng ganitong tournament?
Well, sir, the mere fact na binayayaan tayo ng FIFA to host, ibig sabihin meron na silang idea na kaya natin gawin yan. Ginawa natin sa basketball, ginawa natin sa ibang events. Like was mentioned, meron tayong Men's Volleyball World Cup. meron tayong World Gymnastics, no? Pero more than anything, I think yung plano ng FIFA at PFF na mag-iwan ng legacy dito sa Pilipinas after the hosting. Hindi ba? Hindi sila aalis dito na okay, tapos na, okay na yan. Mag-iiwan sila ng facilities, mag-iiwan sila ng equipo para ma-enjoy o maengganyo ang mga bata to take up the sport even more than it is already. No? Ako naman, and I'm sure I speak for the entire federation, excited ako to show FIFA world-class Filipino hospitality. Hindi ba? Hindi ba dyan tayo kilala? Hindi ba dyan tayo kilala? And hindi natin kailangan practicein yun. It is naturally, in our DNA. So again, very excited to, show the world what we can do. In terms of the ladies' preparation, again, we didn't have to go to Uzbekistan. We didn't have to go to China because we're already qualified. But we went anyways. At pinakita natin sa kanila, laban tayo, laban kami. Okay?
Okay, additional question.